What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I've got the camera set up looking at the table here because I got something and I want to show it to you all close up like. So here, check this out. It says the future starts from here. Right here. So you ain't gonna get to the future unless you come right here. This thing's also made in China, but thought I would show it to you. I don't know. I mean, there's lots of levitating things out there, but I've never seen anything quite like this. So I thought I'd check it out. And first of all, in the box here, little preview, we have a power cord here, 2-prong for regular outlets and a single prong right there. Power cord, and then we have, oh my friend, it's in a Ziploc bag here. What have they done to you? Hey, and now, my name is Bones. I have a little plastic skull here. Like that, it's kind of aged up in there. It's about the size of like a large softball. Not human sized. Especially not compared to my head, which is ginormous. And then what you can see here, it's actually pretty light, but what you can see on the bottom there is, I'm not sure if the magnet is here or not, but this is a levitating skull. So it's either metal or the magnet itself. And if we continue to open up this box, got in some instructions, microfiber towel there for cleaning the sucker up, another Ziploc bag with the base on it. And this base is actually really heavy, so the magnet might be in here. As you can see, it's got 4 rubber pads on the bottom for gripping. Looks like we have some hole cutouts on the bottom for maybe some sounds. Power plug right there. And it's a little bit UFO shaped. The top is like a glossy black and very plate. It's like an upside down plate. No moving pieces there. And if I just take the head, oh, look at that. It's very magnetic to the plate. So I think it's going to want to sit in the middle, and that's going to keep it from kind of hitting the place where it's magnetic. All right, so I got the base plugged in here, and the instruction is basically to say to lower it very slowly, and I think it's actually going to be pretty close to the base, but it's going to be levitating over it. So you just kind of slowly lower it into place. Got it. Takes a little bit of ginger positioning to get the sucker to kind of sit right in the middle, and you kind of got to get a little bit of a feel for it. You kind of feel the magnets pulling it, but once you get it lined up here, you've got the skull just levitating. Now, the power is not creating the levitation as far as I can tell. It's just really the magnets in the skull and as well as the magnets in the base. What the power cord is doing here is creating this nice little purple light ring around the base, as well as transferring some power into the skull here, because there appears to be like a red LED light in the skull too, which will probably be more visible in lower lights. But as you can see right here, I think just my breath is kind of swinging the skull around. But this thing applies to a lot of stuff. I mean, you can get a lot of levitating things from football helmets to Star Trek memorabilia, but I wanted to check this out because I like skulls. Yeah. They're like my good friends. My head spins around all the way too. Hey, check this out. It's pretty cool. I don't know how rough I can be with this little bad boy, but obviously you can see here it's kind of wobbling. Still continues to stay in place. Cool little decoration, whether it's for Halloween, Dia de los Muertos, or maybe you're just into it. Check it out. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda. Out!